Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I haven't recorded for over a month, but I'm back at it again. So don't you guys worry about that because I'm gonna start recording again for you guys. Anyways, we're gonna be doing a full set of these milky white nails that another nail tech had done them, and my client brought in a picture, so I don't really know who did them, but yeah. So I already went ahead and prime and prep her nails. I used the Me Secret Nail Dehydrator and the Young Nails Protein Bond, and also the Premium Nails No Lift Primer. So this white colored acrylic that I'm using is actually the Not Polish Off-White color, or Milky White, and I went ahead and mixed it with the Me Secret Clear acrylic powder just because it was a little bit too white and it wasn't on the more of the milky side. So she wanted the nails to look exactly like the picture, so that is why I had to mix the two colors together. So after the acrylic application, I'm going in with my 80/80 grit file, and we're just going to be filing her nails just to be a little bit more tapered. And then after that, I'm going to be taking my extra fine panna barrel bit, and we're just going to be smoothing out her nails and sealing her cuticle area. be applying some IBD hard gel onto her ring finger because this is the finger that's going to be covering Pixie. Everything that I use will be listed down below, so make sure you guys go check it out if you guys are interested in any of the products that I use. And then after this, I'm just going to be flash curing it with a pen. And then for the rest of the nails, we're just going to be blinging them out with like some crystals. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I promise you guys that I will start recording more. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.